Hello, my name is Meaghan Wingbermuehle. I'm a senior manager at DHJJ. I'm the leader of our state and local tax group, or SALT group. Today I'm going to discuss the specific types of state tax forgiveness. Here's a list of the most common types of state tax forgiveness: amnesty, tax holidays, voluntary disclosure agreements, or VDA, and offer and compromise. A state may offer a voluntary disclosure agreement program for taxpayers subject to that state's taxation or having tax collection responsibilities with tax due. This affects a taxpayer who is determined to have past exposure to a state tax that they have not filed or paid. They may be able to take advantage of a voluntary disclosure agreement program in order to become current with the state. A company may qualify for different types of taxes covered under the Voluntary Disclosure Program. Very often seen are corporate income tax, corporate pass-through tax, individual tax, and sales and use tax. Usually a state will waive the penalties as well. They will also usually set a look-back period of the tax owed. This is important because if a taxpayer has never filed in a state, the statute of limitations never begins running, leaving all past years open. A company may also use the Multi-State Tax Commission application for member states. Some typical requirements of the Voluntary Disclosure Agreement are tax returns have not been filed within the state in the past or within a set number of years. The taxpayer is not currently registered with the state for disclosed tax type. The taxpayer is not under current audit, examination, or criminal investigation. There has not been any contact with the taxing authority or its agent. They must provide financial reports and records. Failure to report or pay tax was not due to fraud, tax evasion, gross negligence, or willful disregard. An agreement to pay the taxes owed, file the prior returns, and keep the account current moving forward. This is usually the information that you will need to include in your application. Usually applications are done anonymously and done through a third party such as your CPA. Thank you for listening to this topic today. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to your DHJJ CPA. I hope you have a wonderful day.